صباح الخير. Good morning, guten Morgen, صباح الخير جميعاً. I'm Nadin Zureikat, the Chief Revenue Officer at Elevatus, and I'm honored to be here with you all today, leaders who are reshaping our organizations across the region as we explore the transformative impact of Agentic AI on Saudi Vision 2030. Today, I want to speak about something that is about to change everything, and I mean everything. We have reached a point where what is already very powerful is about to operate without any limits. As we look ahead to the future shaped by Agentic AI, the only question that remains is not what intelligence can do, but how far are we ready to go? As we all know, artificial intelligence has already transformed the way organizations operate. AI analyzes data, it automates tasks, it executes workflows with speed and precision. We all know that AI works smarter, faster, and more efficient. And the impact of this digital transformation is undeniable. But let us focus on something. Today, AI is reducing the time to hire by up to 90%, improving the operational efficiency. On another note, AI is contributing to over $320 billion into the MENA economy, and it will also be generating over 1.3 million new jobs. As we see how AI is doing this further impact, when the organization scale and grow, the conversation is going to change as well. As now, intelligence is no longer judged by how well it can outperform a task. It is judged by how it carries an outcome from start to finish. And this is where Agentic AI enters and play a pivotal role. Let us see the evolution that takes place from traditional artificial intelligence to Agentic AI. As you can see, AI nowadays follows workflows, whereas Agentic AI coordinates journeys from start to finish. Artificial intelligence today is triggered and creates all of the tasks, while Agentic AI is working with prompt and intent. AI works on demand, whereas Agentic AI works without any limits. And we are already seeing all of these measurable results around the kingdom and in the MENA region. For example, today, organizations implementing Agentic AI into their solutions, there is an increase of 171% return on investment annually. And this is an exceptional performance. Moreover, transitioning from AI to Agentic AI, you have a 34% faster completion rates on all your tasks, workflows, and governance. Moreover, you have around a 13.6% more efficiency in using the in-house systems with the Agentic AI. This means Agentic AI is inevitable at this point, and Vision 2030 clearly recognizes this goal. If we look at the statistics in Oman Vision 2030, we have around 66 out of 96 vision objectives directly correlated to artificial intelligence, which makes this an important national AI priority according to Sadaya. If you look at another statistic by Sadaya today, the Saudi data and artificial intelligence is aiming to have the kingdom in one of the top 15 AI-powered economics around the globe. And in order to do that, then we need to really accelerate in adopting the AI solutions. Moreover, thanks to AI today, we are achieving a 25 mismatch rate when it comes to Saudization, meaning we are hiring and focusing on the local talents we have in the kingdom. Taking it one step further, now Saudi Arabia will be training over 20,000 AI and data scientists in order to achieve this national AI strategic goal. This is where Agentic AI plays a pivotal role, as it carries the outcomes end to end. I'm proud to be standing here in front of you today and announce the very first hiring Agentic AI that's going to automate and govern the entire recruiter journey from onboarding and manpower planning. Agentic AI that is set to revolutionize how the kingdom will operate in terms of recruitment. An Agentic AI that's going to be autonomous, personalized, and powerful. Let me show you how it's going to work. Thank you.
The new class of hiring Agentic AI activated.
Hey Ava, I need to hire a senior back-end engineer. Target 10 candidates in 7 days. Use our local hiring workflow for this.
Done. I've set up your hiring workflow end-to-end, from apply to onboarding, based on best practices. Your job is now ready. I can now publish it, generate the scorecard, or start sourcing on LinkedIn. What would you like to do next?
I want you to source from LinkedIn and our talent pool. Pull 60 candidates, shortlist 15, and tell me why. Exclude repetitive job hoppers.
Based on your instructions, within the Elevatus platform, I'm directly accessing LinkedIn as an integrated source, processing and intelligently filtering over 1 billion profiles in real time. Done. I've sourced candidates from LinkedIn and shortlisted 15 based on experience, skills, tenure stability, and location fit. I've flagged risks like salary expectations and notice periods and prepared outreach messages.
Keep sourcing new talent every 3 days. Re-rank the pipeline automatically.
Got it. I've activated always-on sourcing. Every 3 days, I'll source from LinkedIn within Elevatus, remove duplicates, add qualified candidates to screening, and re-rank based on AI matching to the job description. You'll be alerted when the best candidates come through. What would you like to do next?
Start the outreach for the shortlisted candidates. Email first and follow up after 48 hours via WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and SMS. Keep it professional and personalized. Stop if they opt out.
All set. I've started the outreach process. Here's how it works. Step 1. I'll send a personalized email to each candidate. Step 2. If there's no reply in 48 hours, I'll follow up via WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and SMS. I'll stop if they reply, opt out, or if the email bounces. And I'll track everything: delivered, seen, replied, scheduled, so you don't miss a thing.
Hey Ava, for the ones you shortlisted, I want you to schedule the interviews. And while you're at it, generate performance ranking, behavioral traits, work style indicators, language proficiency analysis, and detect who could be a successor for this role.
I will conduct the interviews on your behalf, ranking the candidates based on their performance in key behavioral traits and language proficiency. I'll also generate a detailed personality report and identify the top candidates most suited to succeed in this role. The next one, generate detailed personality insights and identify the candidates most likely to succeed. Let's get started. I will invite the candidates and ask 5 role-specific questions. Hello, Ahmed. Thank you for joining us today. Can you share a bit about your experience as a senior back-end engineer?
I've spent 8 years working with Java, Python, and Node.js, focusing on building faster and more scalable systems.
Great. Can you walk us through a project where you significantly improved system performance?
I used Redis to accelerate an e-commerce platform by 40% during peak traffic, improving response times and overall user experience.
While I'm interviewing Ahmed, I'm simultaneously assessing and interviewing thousands of other candidates. I've come back with the results and 4 key assessments for each interview I conducted. First, the overall matching score. This shows how well each candidate performed, how closely their answers aligned with the role, and how accurately they matched our model responses. Next, English proficiency. I assessed grammar, sentence structure, and fluency to ensure clear and effective communication. Then, a psychometric assessment based on the Big 5 personality model. This highlights behavioral traits and team fit potential. After that, behavioral competency and emotional intelligence, capability, mental toughness, emotional awareness, and workplace empathy. With these 4 assessments, you have a complete view of each candidate's strengths. Smarter, faster hiring, powered by Agentic Infinity.
This used to take months. Thanks, Ava.
Because you carried the weight, from budgeting to onboarding. I adapted to your rules, your processes, your compliance.
So this is what scale feels like. Huh.
No, this is what leadership feels like. This is Infinity, a new class of agentic AI. This isn't artificial intelligence, it's human experience, amplified. Infinity, shaped by real hiring, made by you, built for you.
Thank you. I'd just like to wrap up this session by mentioning today that when we're looking at artificial intelligence and agentic AI, I hope this gave you an overview of how advanced the new technology can exceed when it comes to the hiring processes. Today, as we mentioned earlier, with Elevatus, you can automate and govern your entire hiring processes using artificial intelligence. And now with Agentic AI, all you have to do is write your prompts, and the system will do everything on your behalf. The most important thing for us to always note is that when we're talking about Agentic AI, as the keynote speakers mentioned earlier, governance is a key pillar in making this happen. As without the governance, none of this would have worked. So the Agentic AI that we're showing today, it reads all your governance, all your compliance, your policies, your hierarchy at the company, and based on that, it ignites all of these actions. Thank you so much for your time today, and I hope you enjoyed this session. يعطيكم العافية. Thank you.